my loves, welcome back to a new video. You guys, the weather is getting so cold. Like, it snowed a few days ago and it has been crazy. Like, the weather has been so crazy. This is my new favorite spot now in this house because it is directly in front of the heater and the heater is on. So yeah, from my voice you can even tell I think I have sore throat. I don't even know, maybe I have cough, one of them sharp. But yeah, welcome to a new vlog. So what we're going to do now is I want to unbox some things I ordered. I ordered some items from Amazon, ASOS, and where else? I think that's it, and something else. Yeah, so I just ordered different things and they've arrived, so I decided to do like an unboxing for you guys. And yeah, so the first thing we're going to be unboxing is this ASOS. I decided to order jewelries, guys. Right now I'm beginning to love jewelries. I'm beginning to love jewelries. Yes. So I figured I should get some from ASOS. And yeah, you guys, please, if I'm sniffing, just know that I have cold. So yeah, this is the pack. And then these are my jewelries. This is the first earring I got. Hope it's focusing. Yeah, this is the first earring I got. Let me open this up. Oh, these are so cute. So this is the earring I got. This is the first one I got. Oh, these are so beautiful. Then I think I got about 2 or 3 earrings. I got earrings, I got necklace, and I think I got rings as well. You guys, I'm trying to, you know, update my jewelry collection. And oh, this is so beautiful. Oh, and you guys, this earring is so cute. Like, I love the green. Oh, I don't know if it's blue or something, but yeah, I love this thing here. And guys, it's so beautiful. So yeah, I got this earring. So yeah, I got this hoop earrings. Oh, these are so gorgeous, guys. Like, they are so beautiful. Jeez. Nah. Can you see them? Like, they are 2 separate earrings. Like 1, 2. Like, they are so beautiful. Like, can you see? Oh, this is so cute. So yeah, this is it. And then I got a necklace. I think this one is the necklace. Yeah, this one looks like the other earring, but I got a necklace. I think these ones are my rings. I got a ring. I just got 1 ring. Yeah, these are the rings. Oh, so these are the rings. This is 1, this is 2nd one, and this is the 3rd one. I love the design, especially this one. I think I love this one the most. Let me try and show you guys. I love this one so much because this is like my favorite, because it's wrapped, and yeah, just looks really nice. I love this particular one very well. It's in a set of 3. So yeah, so that's all for ASOS. And then the next thing I got, where is this one from? I think this is from Amazon. I don't know yet. Let me open this up. So yeah, I saw Ihioma use this in her videos, in one of her videos. It's like a makeup brush cleaner and dryer. I got this one and I'm going to be putting it in the link in my description box, so make sure you check that out. You guys, excuse me, I have cough. So yeah, I saw her use this and I decided to get this. Let's see what it looks like. So I think this is the cleanser. It has this stuff. I'm sure there's a manual. Yeah, I had this stuff. You guys, I hate washing makeup brushes. Like, I hate washing makeup brushes. If I see an easier option, I'm going to do it. Like, I hate washing makeup brushes. So it has like a manual in it. This is the bowl. This is like the bowl. I think what happens is, from what I saw in her video, so you fix the brush here, then you put it in, and then it vibrates or something. I shall say something like this. So yeah, I also got this one from Amazon as well. Where did I get it? I don't know why Amazon cannot just put everything together and send it to someone. Okay, yeah, I remember what I got. So I got a brush holder. Guys, I realized that putting my makeup brushes in my makeup bag makes it dirty, you know, because of the makeup products. So I figured let me get like a brush holder, and I got this one because my throat is actually killing me. Like, so where are we? I got this brush holder. I got it in black because I mean we're handling makeup. We do not need anything shouty. So I got this brush holder. Open here to keep my brushes in there. And yeah, so that's it from Amazon. Then I got myself a wristwatch. You guys, I realized that I really do not have. I have one wristwatch, yeah, but that one doesn't really go with everything I wear. So I decided to get myself something that I can, you know, wear most of the time without having to think too much about my outfits. So yeah. So I got a wrist. So yeah, this is the packaging. Where is the cover of this thing? This is a Fossil wristwatch. I got it during the Black Friday sales because I did not want to spend much when it comes to like wristwatch. I mean, it's not time that is telling. It's telling time. So I figured I did not really want it to be so expensive. So yeah, this is it. Where is it in bang bang? This is container. So yeah, this is the wristwatch I got. Open. And yeah, something really small and cute. I don't think the time is correct, but yeah. And it feels really light, so I decided to get myself this. So this is the Fossil one. And yeah, it has like, it's silver and gold mixed together, which is so good, so that I can wear it with anything at all. So yeah, I think that's all for now for the things I got. Some things are yet to be ordered. Some things are yet to be delivered. Yeah, so right now I want to go ahead to lose my hair because this hair is like 2 months now and I am tired of it. So I want to go ahead to lose my hair and wash it this night. Hopefully I have the strength because guys, it's actually, what time is it? What time is it? It's actually to 10. So yeah, I want to see if I can lose my hair this night and wash it before I go to bed. So yeah, that's all for now.
Yeah. Low key, all my guys, them, they naughty. Yeah. I'm not joking. All my guys, them know me. Since '06, I've been writing my story. Yeah, I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, or give me glory. Music chose me, just know this, I know peace. I did low key, but I'm never lonely. Yeah, sexy ladies, call for me slowly. Now the love I they see when they give me ginger, I be get to be seen. I Jehovah, oh no. Now the love I they see when they give me ginger, I be get to be seen. Jehovah, oh no. I go they grace they go no they waste yo. I go they am on day I bypass. Now my God I go they no digress. I keep walking, mama waste no time. You got the bed, you feeling alright. Bandana no repeat it too bad. Like that to a merry guy. They never see me coming. Mr. Mo.
Hey guys, welcome back. You guys, I'm going for a helicopter cruise today and I'm almost running late because I need to catch my, what's it called, my train to London. Guys, I'm going to London because the helicopter cruise is happening in London. So I'm just trying to finish up with my makeup and then head to the train station. Yeah, I think I'm on time, Sha, but let me not hide myself too much so I don't go late. So yeah, I'm trying to finish up with my makeup. I'm almost done. Just my lipstick and yeah, setting my face. Guys, do you know I have been having what's it called, catarrh for the past few days. My nose has been on fire. Like, my nose has been on fire. But I feel better today, guys. I feel better today. This video is our last video for the year. Guys, I just want to say thank you to everybody that has watched my video this year, shared my video, subscribed, and all of that. You guys have been amazing. Amazing. Yeah, so, yeah, I think this year has been great. Yeah, that's all I want to say. That's all I want to say. You guys, I actually rolled my hair under here. In case I'm just talking gibberish, I'm trying to hurry so I don't miss my train, because my appointment is by 2 o'clock and it's about 3 hours to get to destination. So yeah, I think I want to go in with nude lips, nude glossy lips as always. I'm done, guys. Like, I am done. You guys, last night I rolled my hair. I did not want to wear wig today, and you guys, there is a way I envision this hair to turn out. I really hope it turns out like that, because if it does not, I'm in trouble. Oh, these curls are nice. Okay, you guys, pray for me today. So I'm ready to head out. I did not realize that when I was doing my hair, I wasn't recording. So this is the hair. I just combed it out a little bit, and I think it looks really nice. Ignore how scattered my table looks, but yeah, this is the perfume for the day. I'm going in with this Giorgio Armani My Way, and this is my outfit. So I'm just putting on a white shirt, sweater above it because it's cold, and then a pair of leggings and shoes. Guys, yeah, that's my outfit for the day. So yeah, let's head out, guys. Let's head out. My train is in the next 10-15 minutes, and yeah, so bye, guys. Hey guys, so right now I'm currently at Gatwick Airport. You guys, I'm very early because last time I came for this stuff I was very late. Like, I missed, why is it so dark? Oh my god, I missed the helicopter ride, so we're told to come back. So yeah, you guys, I'm actually loving my hair. I know it looks scattered, but yeah. Can you see how my hair is bouncing? You guys, yes, I'm in love with my hair. But yeah, we're trying to get Uber to the location. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but we are trying to get Uber to the location, and yeah, so. Hey guys, so we are currently here, and you guys, I'm actually early. Let me tell you what happened. The last time I was supposed to come for this thing, there was train strike. So before we came here, it was already late, and we had to like miss the whole helicopter ride and all. But today we said we must make it in time. We're actually like 30 minutes early, which is so good. So yeah, I think my hair is beginning to scatter, but it should be fine. So yeah, let's go and have some fun. some fun.
So what are the vlog today? We're gonna be famous and all that kind of shit. Hey. Hope.
You guys, our weight was too much, so we had to remove our jackets. So now we are going in jacketless. Well, according to her, the helicopter is warm enough, so we really do not need our jackets. So yeah. Hello! Can you film my hair, guys?
Yeah, we can.
Look at the outfit for the day.
Yeah.
Shoe from Adidas, leggings from Primark, then sweater from Shine, shirt from Nigeria actually, hat from God. Thank
So
you.
give us a quick review of
Thank
your
you.
flat.
Guys, the flight was amazing, you know, flying up and seeing every beautiful place.
say that Christmas is on its merry